Hey, welcome back, everybody, to the Las Vegas Luxury Real Estate Show. I'm your host, Kevin Jaramillo.
And I'm George O'Brien.
All right, George, here we are, another week. Let's, what are we talking about? What are we going to show the folks today?
Well, we're going to be in an area that I really like personally. It's in the south part of Summerlin.
Right?
Mesa Ridge.
Oh, I love Mesa Ridge. It's got the park over there is just amazing. And that whole area was designed for family living because
Beautiful
the Mesa Ridge Park is awesome. Location's great. So I really love it. But there's not a whole lot of stuff for sale over there typically.
No. Who wants to move?
Nobody wants to move. You're in a great area and a great home. So the one they go over there, and the one we're going to see today is a beautiful home. It's very unassuming when you pull up, and we'll look at this thing.
Right.
But the upgrades that were done to this property, bar none.
Right.
I mean, my estimation, $450,000 in upgrades.
It's a lot of scratch.
It's a lot of money. But again, they're in a guard-gated community of Mesa Ridge, of Overlook, right?
Okay. Overlook. Right.
Overlook. All right, let's dig right in and take a look at this place.
Okay. So this house is $3.3 million. It's 3,465 square feet.
Okay, so
Lot size 10K.
So it's not a huge lot and not a huge house at, a little over 3,000 feet. But again, this is a very comfortable lifestyle of someone who just wants to have unassuming living. As I'm seeing in the front of the house here, there's nothing over the top.
Right.
You wouldn't think. It's a single story. What's great about this property is its location. And we'll see this in the backyard.
Right.
These guys have an amazing view of the whole Las Vegas
Can't
Strip.
wait to see that.
Yeah, let's dig in.
You did mention it's guard-gated. This house was built in 2022. So it's pretty new.
No, new house. Yeah, right there. That's just a gorgeous backyard. At night, there you can see the strip in the background back there.
There you go.
And live in person, because this really isn't doing justice.
Of course. Yeah, none of these pictures do it justice. Do you think it's a forever view, though? Because I'm looking at that lot back there.
Yeah. Yes, because you can see across the way there is Ascension, which is part of the new village, the Peaks.
Right.
And those are two-story properties, and they can still see them. They're elevated. That street coming into Ascension that we see on the lower left there,
right?
These lots are probably 20, 25 feet up from that street.
Right.
So I don't think they're going to lose this view.
This is one of those homes, KJ, that your friends pull up into it, and they've never been there before, and maybe they're from out of town. They pull up, we're at KJ's house. Yeah. Then once they walk in, they're like, wow.
And there's the mountain views that they get.
Right.
So when they look to the right, they see the strip. They look to the left, they'll see these mountain views. And all of that building right there. We've talked about Ascension, and we'll talk more about Ascension in the future.
Sure we will.
Which is an amazing new community over there. So reach out to us if you want to know more about that place, because they're building like crazy right now. So again, all about location. Again, we talked 10,000 square foot lot, not a huge lot, but they really maximized the space here. And it's a small pool. Let's just get out there and get wet when it's 115 degrees or whatever.
That's all you need.
But a lot of glass on the back of the house here because of the views of the mountains and the strip. Just beautiful.
Yeah, that indoor-outdoor space right there in the middle. That's perfect.
So you got little courtyard.
Nice entry, right?
Right. Just very clean, simple, great floor plan, open floor plan.
I'd probably tile that area right up that fireplace.
Yeah.
All the way to the ceiling. European style cabinets.
Yep, look at that door. That door, it meets in the corner and opens up each way. Indoor outdoor living. It's a gorgeous pool.
I agree.
Really did some nice lighting, all high-end appliances. 3.3, but I think we just talked. Didn't it just go under contract?
Yep. It's in escrow right now.
You guys missed out on this thing. Mesa Ridge. If you want to live in Mesa Ridge, you've got to jump on it. Now, this thing here, I think, just broke the record in Mesa Ridge.
Oh, did it?
For square foot price, yes. But we can see why, right?
$952 a square foot.
Yeah, that broke the square foot price up there. But there's just so many custom features in this house. They just really spent a lot of money upgrading this place. It's gorgeous. Right. Beautiful shower. Oh, I love that melted glass looking chandelier. It's my new favorite. Gorgeous bathroom. Staged beautifully. I don't know if somebody actually lives there. That just looks like staging. Again, it's all about a lifestyle. And this is definitely a luxury lifestyle, a very unassuming one. And, you know, people are out there like that. They want to be unassuming and not show their wealth off. Love the outdoor sconce. That thing is awesome. Look
very open.
There's the saw the view there.
Yep. The way it opens to into the back area, the backyard, it just makes the house look twice as big to me.
It does.
Look at that view, Larry.
Just gorgeous.
See, off to the left there.
Yeah, no, it's great. The custom outdoor fireplace over there, fighter sitting area. Again, a very great use of space. Gorgeous home. If you guys are out here and you want to say, hey, I want to live in a guard gated, and there's not a lot of guard gated, right? And so some people just want, there's gated, there's a lot of gated,
right.
But there's not a lot of guard gated,
right?
There's a handful on the west side, a handful on the east side. And this is one of them. And this is why the price points of these homes, and even though they were just built 21, 22, that every time I'm looking in that neighborhood, I see 5 or less for sale at any given time, right? And this is a single story. Probably 50% of them are the 2-story, bigger houses. So this is, you know, a retiree house that wants luxury. This could even be a secondary home for somebody.
Yeah, 3-bedroom, 4-bath.
Yeah.
It's not too overwhelming. It's beautiful, though. The way they put this home together.
Yeah, no, it definitely feels like a model home, and I can see why they got the number that they're getting for it.
Right.
Well, awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed that property, but what's the feature we have today?
Well, the feature is the Mob Museum. You remember the building downtown on Stewart Avenue, KJ, that used to be the post office?
Absolutely. That's like one of the oldest buildings in the city that they didn't actually tear down, right? Because they tear down buildings around here.
So the Mob Museum.
I've been there. I've been there.
I have not been there.
You haven't been there? It's
No.
pretty cool. Well, I haven't been. There's actually a speakeasy at the Mob Museum.
Yes, there is.
And I haven't been to that speakeasy, but I am going downtown this weekend. Maybe we make that a pit stop. We'll find out.
Why not?
But super cool to understand the history that the Mob had in Las Vegas.
It started with the Mob, right?
It did. Bugsy Siegel built the Flamingo out there. I just recently was seeing a photo that it's a really unbelievable photo because it is Las Vegas Boulevard, and he literally built a resort casino in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of a desert.
Literally the middle of the desert. There was nothing within miles.
Right.
And if you saw the movie, they're like, why are you doing that, right? So I don't know if he has had the foresight vision of this thing, but obviously here we are in 2024, and it's the most spectacular street on the planet. So, well, let's dig right into it. Let's check it out.
Let's do it.
All right, George, let's check it out. 100 Years of Mob Museum. Again, that's the old building. Downtown Vegas.
Remember that building well. You know, unfortunately, one of my best friend's grandfathers collapsed on those stairs and passed away.
Is that right?
Yeah, back in the 80s.
Oh.
That building has a lot of history, too.
It really does.
In and of itself.
It does. And you're here. You really need to understand the influence the Mob had for so many years here.
Yes.
I don't think Vegas would be Vegas without the Mob.
I don't think so either. Well, who knows if it would even start? We'd still be like a railroad town.
Yeah,
people pass through.
So a lot of obviously memorabilia photos throughout, and little snippets. There's a couple of videos in there you can watch. They have here the most famous mob hit of all time is the St. Valentine's Day Massacre. The museum has the brick wall where the 7 men were murdered
in Chicago.
Yeah, they tore it down. They brought it over here and reconstructed it, right? So pretty cool.
That's when Capone was battling all the Irish gangs in Chicago.
Yeah.
Back in the 30s.
Yeah, there it is.
Wow. So they actually have that wall?
Yeah. It's wild. There's also a section all about the weapons that the mobsters used to kill off the competition, right? They're brutal. No two ways about it. But I'll tell you what, the mob's the ones who started all of this comping, giving free stuff away.
Right.
You come in, you gamble, you can eat for free, right? You can drink for free, just gamble. That's all they cared about. Yeah, come out here and check this place out.
Lucky Luciano.
He wasn't so lucky.
Well, he got deported.
Right. I think you can walk. You'll spend about 1 hour here, and if I remember correctly, it wasn't a lot. It was like $20.
Not bad at all.
No, and again, just if you're a history buff at all, you really want to understand Vegas, you don't know much about it, it will definitely enlighten you.
Do they let you take pictures in there?
I don't remember.
Because I'd probably spend more than an hour in there. That's just me, though.
Yeah. You know, they really knew how to entertain people. You just didn't want to cross them.
Oh, that's for sure.
You know.
I don't know if I ever told you this. I ran into Tony Spilotro in a restaurant one time. It scared the heck out of me because I was eyeballing his girl.
Oh.
And he looked at me and I almost died on the spot.
You lucky you didn't die.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's all the mobsters. They got them all up there. Right? You could just read a little snippet about all these guys.
All the famous ones anyway.
Yeah. These are just the...
I want to know who that guy is.
You probably really don't want to know.
He's an Asian guy. That's why I'm pointing at him. Like,
yeah.
What's he doing up there?
There you go.
J. Edgar Hoover. He didn't even admit the mob existed for many years.
For many years. Listening devices. I mean, it took them forever to get these guys.
Right.
They literally ran Vegas for 40 years.
Yeah, they ran a lot of things, especially on the East Coast.
Electric chairs. Yeah. Super cool. Guys, you got to come check this place out. It's off of 4th Street over there. Electric chair. You imagine that's how they used to put people down? Strap you in that chair and fire it up?
Yeah, but it's better than being hung.
Mob's greatest hits. That was a... yeah. Got to wear a mobster hat. Maybe that's what you can do for next Halloween's... next year's Halloween. Dress up like a mobster.
I'd rather be a Yakuza.
There you go. That's the building. I don't think they're going to show us here that they have the speakeasy, but they do have one there, and it's pretty cool. Wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, we want to share with you guys. I mean, I'm here my whole life, and you've been here pretty darn long time. Of what's available here in Vegas, right?
Sure.
And come here and see the history. Get out of the casino. Spend a few hours entertaining yourself other ways than just gambling.
There's more to do than just gamble and drink here, folks.
Yeah. And again, you go to the Mob Museum, you want to drink, go downstairs, go in the speakeasy.
There you go.
Right? No, yeah. I mean, remember in Prohibition, that's what they were all about.
Right.
You had to go hide somewhere to drink. But it's a super cool place, very affordable, and you're going to be downtown. That's where history Las Vegas is, right? The Las Vegas Boulevard is all new stuff.
Right. But if you're staying at downtown and you're in one of the hotels off of Fremont, which is basically all of them,
right?
You're walking distance.
Oh, yeah.
Literally a couple blocks.
Yeah, for sure. All right, cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Reach out to us if you are looking to buy and or sell a property. George, we're here for you, right, George?
Absolutely, we are.
All right, we're looking forward to a big 2025, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Take care.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and also that thumbs up button if you really like this video, if it helped you out and you want to watch more, hit that notification bell. We'll appreciate that very much. Also, look, if you're looking to buy or sell in the luxury market here in Las Vegas, you got to reach out to George and I. We're the experts here. So our information is below to be able to contact us. All right?
And we'll see you on the next video.
Take care.